हाय यू गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। और आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इस अंडर आई सीरम के विच इज़ फ्रॉम रेवोल्यूशन स्किन केयर लंदन एंड दिस इज देयर 5% कैफीन सोल्यूशन प्लस hyaluronic acid and I want to talk about pretty much everything about this product. So yes, if that interests you, please keep on watching. अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू हो तो please don't forget to subscribe and let's start. Alright, now first let's talk about the packaging and इन्होंने Ordinary को कॉपी करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है and this is like a complete dupe of Ordinary 5% caffeine solution. Like from the formulation to the packaging, from the ingredients to every single thing they have copied the Ordinary. And I now coming to the texture, you can see कि बहुत ज़्यादा रनी नहीं है, आपकी स्किन पे रुकता है थोड़ी देर. And this is just like any other serum and I like the formulation and everything and working is really great for my skin and my mom also likes it. So yeah, this is a decent product, although this is a little expensive. Like this retails for 1500 rupees and this is a 30 ml bottle, so that can be a minus point for this, but otherwise this works really good. Alright, now coming to the claims, they say that this is like a double espresso shots for your under eyes and also this contains caffeine which will help depuffing your under eyes and also brighten up the appearance, and also it will reduce your dark circles, and also the added hyaluronic acid will help you improve your texture of your under eyes and also plump and hydrate your under eyes. Right now coming to the ingredient list, they have added 5% of caffeine solution and अगर मैं इसके बारे में बात करूँ, इस पर्टिकुलर इंग्रेडिएंट के बारे में, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी गुड फॉर अंडर आइज क्योंकि एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इंग्रेडिएंट होता है विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स इन depuffing एंड रिड्यूसेस योर डार्क्स. और राइट नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ दिस वर्क्स. तो क्या होता है कि जब भी आप इसको ट्रॉपिकली अप्लाई करते हो, व्हाट इट डज इज़ कि आपकी जो भी स्किन के अंदर ब्लू ब्लड वेसल्स होते हैं उनको ये एक्चुअली कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट करता है एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई कि आपकी जो आइज़ होती है अगर वो पफ्ड होती हैं तो ये उसको डीपफ करता है एंड इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स इन रिड्यूसिंग योर डार्क सर्कल्स. और ये बिकॉज दिस इज़ लाइक एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इंग्रेडिएंट, तो ये आपका अपीयरेंस को स्मूथ करता है एंड इट एक्चुअली गेट रिड्स ऑफ एनी डार्क सर्कल और पिगमेंटेशन अंडर योर. एंड सिंस दिस इज़ लाइक एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, तो ये क्या करता है कि आपकी स्किन जो होती है, अंडर आई की स्किन जो होती है, उसको टेम्परेली टाइट करता है एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि आपकी स्किन में जो अपीयरेंस होता है उसके डार्क सर्कल में उसमें कमी आती है एंड दैट इज़ हाउ इट वर्क. I would say कि tropically this is actually good for your under eyes, but if you are someone who drinks too much coffee or chai, so you have to cut on your caffeine if you want to get rid of your dark circles, because caffeine is one of the reasons why you have your dark circles. तो अगर आप उन लोगों में से हैं जिन्हें कॉफ़ी पीना या चाय पीना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, you have to like start cutting off your like tea and your coffee. But yes, if you want to have that sparkly, brighten up, shiny eyes, you have to cut on that. And please drink a lots of water, sleep properly, and have a good diet. It will help you a lot. Alright, जो second ingredient, जो main ingredient इन्होंने ऐड किया, that is hyaluronic acid. Now how it works is ये basically आपके environment से जो भी moisture होता है उसको ये आपकी skin के अंदर penetrate करता है और आपके epidermis तक पहुंच जाता है, and that is the reason why your skin looks plumped and hydrated. And this is like one of the best ingredients. I know it sounds very very strong and dangerous कि hyaluronic acid, I mean sounds very weird, I know, but it is the most amazing ingredient. And if you're someone who is fighting with anti-aging, you have to include hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to review the hyaluronic acid, like pure hyaluronic acid serum, so please stay tuned for that. And always make sure to wear a good thick moisturizer after you use your hyaluronic acid, or if you're using this one, so please make sure that you're using a good moisturizer over it. Now और जो ingredients इन्होंने add किए, that is water, propanediol, glycerin, again humectant, which has similar properties to hyaluronic acid. They have added butylene glycol, sodium benzoate, xanthan gum. This is like a thickener क्योंकि आपकी product बहुत ज़्यादा watery नहीं हो, that is why they have added this. And they have also added sodium hyaluronate and ethiaxyl glycerin, which is also like very very hydrating for your skin. So if I talk about the ingredients, this is very very clean. Also this is a vegan formula, this is cruelty free, there's no fragrance, artificial color added to it, and there's no harmful chemicals. So as far as the ingredient list and the formulation is concerned, it's amazing. अमेजिंग। और नाउ कमिंग टू माई एक्सपीरियंस, मैं इसको ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने से यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग अ लिटिल गोज़ अ लॉन्ग वेज। ऑल आई नीड इज़ 1 ड्रॉप फॉर बोथ ऑफ माई आईज एंड इट वर्क्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन। एंड आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि मेरे आँखों के नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स नहीं हैं, सो आई हैवंट सीन दैट मच इम्प्रूवमेंट फॉर दैट, बट माई मॉम told me that she has seen a lot of improvements under, you know, the eye area, and she has a little bit of pigmentation around her eye, so she has seen a lot of changes और उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रहा है. So for me, but जो भी हम products use करते हैं, we use it together, so this worked really good for her, and for me it actually helped me depuffing my eyes, because whenever I get up in the morning I have like a puffy eye under eyes, so it actually helped in that, and I use it morning and evening, and it works really great for me. So yes, if you're someone who has puffed eyes and you look like a panda in the morning, you can actually give it a try, because it is working really great. And yes, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this to be helpful, and if you have any queries, you can just drop a comment in the comment box, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care, and bye.